Meditation can improve your memory. Meditation can slow down or even prevent some neurodegenerative disease. Meditation can help to reduce blood pressure. Regular meditation leads to neuroplasticity in the brain. Meditation can sometimes be more effective than sleep. Meditation can be a more effective painkiller than morphine. Routine meditation can make decision making easier. Consistent meditation is more important than lengthy meditation. The brain functions better with meditation. Thousands of people have overcome addictions using mindful meditation. Meditation can improve one's attention span. Meditation can increase kindness. Meditation can keep us from aging. Meditation boosts your self-control. Meditation improves your ability to be creative and think outside the box. Meditation increases cortical thickness in area related to paying attention. Meditation increases volumes in areas related to emotion regulation, positive emotions, and self-control. While meditation benefits both genders, women show greater decreases in negative thinking and greater increases in self-compassion and mindfulness. General wellness is the number one reason people take up meditation. Children with ADHD who practice meditation have better concentration at school. Meditation can help relieve lower back pain more effectively than other standard treatments, such as over-the-counter or prescription medication, hot and cold compresses, and in some cases surgery. Just 10 minutes of mindful meditation daily can help reduce distracting thoughts for people with anxiety. Because meditation stimulates the neocortex and reduces stress, it can profoundly enhance creativity and innovation. Meditation reduces activity in the default mode network, which is the brain network responsible for mind wandering and me thinking. Mindful-based meditation, in contrast to focusing on breathing only, changes areas in the brain that help relieve social anxiety. The brain of long-time meditators are less affected by aging than the brains of those who do not meditate. While noting that meditation does not take the place of standard medicine, physicians have observed that meditation helps prevent heart disease and heart attack. It can also help keep blood pressure low. A Buddhist meditation technique known as loving kindness meditation, directed towards another race, reduces racial bias. In addition to improving mental health, meditation can also help reduce money-related stress and decrease the urge to impulse shop. While meditation and Buddhism are almost synonymous in the West, the majority of Buddhists, past and present, haven't regularly performed meditation practices. Traditionally, only ordained Buddhist nuns and monks practice meditation. Some practitioners have experienced hallucinations, psychotic episodes, depression, and other medical and physical impacts, especially if the practitioner has pre-existing mental or physical condition. While many religions practice meditation, it's possible to meditate no matter what your religious affiliation is and without violating any religious principles that you may hold. Unlike simply sitting on your couch or lying in your bed, meditation produces specific chemical changes in the brain. Transcendental meditation, for example, releases a soothing hormone known as prolactin. Of the various types of meditation, the following 6 are the most popular: mindfulness, spiritual, focused, movement, mantra, and transcendental. Chakra meditation focuses on placing the 7 chakras of the body in harmony. The word chakra is Sanskrit for wheel, while symbolizes smooth movement, power, and harmony. One of the most common and sacred symbols in the meditation tradition is the Om or Om. Om represents the consciousness of the universe condensed into the sound. Meditation can be practiced in 4 positions: sitting, lying down, standing, or walking. Sitting still is not a prerequisite for meditation. A common meditation symbol is the mandala, which is a geometric construction of points, lines, and shapes that symbolize the universe. It acts as a visual point of concentration and symbolizes the sound of creation, the Om. The lotus flower is an important symbol in the meditation tradition and represents the ability to rise above difficulty and to bloom in enlightenment. Practitioners often imagine their hearts as the flower, unfolding in the center of their chest.
कैसी लगी है कहानी दोस्तों? कमेंट बॉक्स में अपने कमेंट लिखकर ज़रूर बताएं और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों के साथ भी शेयर करें। धन्यवाद।